How do you comply with TPD discharge monitoring? Imagine having your student loans canceled because of a disability, and then wondering what steps you need to take afterward. That's what we're here to clarify. When you get a total and permanent disability discharge for your federal student loans, the process has changed a lot recently. Previously, borrowers had to go through income checks for 3 years after their discharge. But since July 1, 2023, that income monitoring requirement has been removed. Now, once your discharge is approved, you don't have to report income or prove your disability again. The main thing to remember is that, after your discharge is granted, there are no ongoing monitoring or reporting duties. You don't need to submit any income documentation or proof of continued disability anymore. The process is now simpler and more straightforward. To qualify for a TPD discharge, you had to provide proof of your disability. This could be a certification from the Department of Veterans Affairs if you are 100% disabled due to service-connected issues. Or, you could submit documentation from the Social Security Administration showing you receive disability benefits with a scheduled review at least 5 to 7 years away. Alternatively, a licensed medical professional such as a doctor, psychologist, or nurse practitioner could certify that you cannot engage in substantial gainful activity due to a physical or mental impairment expected to last at least 60 months or lead to death. Applying for the discharge involves submitting the correct forms to the U.S. Department of Education. If you qualify through VA or Social Security, you need to include proof of your benefits. If you don't qualify through those agencies, then a medical certification from a qualified health professional is necessary. Once your application is approved, your federal student loans will be canceled and collection activities must stop. Because the income monitoring period is no longer in place, there's no need for further compliance or income reporting. A good tip is to keep copies of all your submitted documents and any correspondence with your loan servicer or the Department of Education. If you receive any communication after your discharge, respond quickly to clarify if any further action is needed. Staying informed about updates to the rules can help you avoid surprises. Checking official federal student aid websites regularly is a smart move. In essence, complying with TPD discharge monitoring now mainly means submitting the right documentation at the start. After your discharge is approved, there's no more monitoring or reporting required. This change makes the process easier and less stressful for borrowers who qualify due to disability.